the heck? Why is it so dark? I'm just gonna on this light and I'm just gonna on all the lights because this is not usual. And that one, that one. Perfect. And I'm just gonna be charging these bubble machines because it's going to be the triplets' birthday. It's going to be quadruplets. Just kidding. It's going to be the twins' birthday about in 2 months. I mean in 2 weeks. So we need a bubble machine, so we gotta charge it. And what the heck is this alert? Alert! Hello to all American citizens that lives in Los Angeles. What? Wait, we live in Los Angeles. There's going to be a snowstorm in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes? How the heck am I supposed to set up? I gotta calm down. Marissa, calm down. Wait, the kids aren't home. Oh my god, where the heck are they? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta call them. Hello? Camilla, where the heck are you? I'm at the car. I'm driving home. It's so traffic here. Where the heck are you? You know, I went for a walk with the dogs, but suddenly it became very dark. And then it started raining so badly, and like it's just raining so badly. I just don't It's just raining so much right now, and it's not the right time, and I'm so cold right now, and I have a bit of a cough already because you didn't pick me up at the park because you literally promised me for proof about 2 hours earlier. Okay, Mom, I'm already at the park. Okay, I'll pick you up earlier. Now, do you know now? Okay, yes, I know. Are you in an Uber? Yes. Okay, I'm waiting for you now outside. Oh my god, he won't open the stupid door. Oh my gosh, oh my god. Okay, come in. It's so cold and oh my gosh, you girls. Oh, you left us out in the stupid cold. It's literally so cold. Like I'm freezing. But calm down. Okay, what? It says there's going to be snowstorm. What? What? Did you say? What did you say? Okay, I said there was going to be a snowstorm. No wonder it's so cold. Anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna take a warm shower. Same, because like it's so unfreezing right now. It's already raining too. Okay, now I'm just gonna... Actually, let's just rest for a bit. Okay, Tammy. Okay, Nugget and Biscuit. You can go down first. No, everything is going to be okay, okay? No, we're not gonna die. It's just a snowstorm. That means there's going to be a storm full of snow. It's not going to be water all over, it's going to be snow. Yes, I know you love snow, but you cannot go out. No, you cannot. I'm sorry. Yeah, you also cannot. Sorry, because it's snow. Snow cannot handle you. You might get sick. No, I'm sorry. Yeah. The ducks are right here, so let's just take them all out. Yes, I know you want to go to the trampoline, but it's raining. Oh, you want us to prove it? Okay, come on, Tammy. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nugget. Look, it's freezing and it's raining so hard. No, obviously you cannot go, but what do you mean? You obviously can't. Yes, I know. Come. Okay, this is where Biscuit goes, and this is where Nugget goes. This is like their pet bags, so obviously it needs to be here. And the wind is just so... Yes, I know you want to be in the rain, but we cannot. I already have cough, and I have runny nose. To be honest, I have both the same. Oh my gosh, I just realized something. What? We haven't got our period. Oh my god. Anyways, I think all that matters that we have to take that because I'm really cool now. Okay, let's go. Fine. Tammy, you go there. I don't want to see my private parts. Oh. Hours later. Okay, I know I took a long time, but I don't really care. I'm just gonna put my uniform there and close this light. Okay, so I'm next, and Nugget, go to you. Okay, good boy. Girl, you left your thing. Oh, thanks. Okay, perfect. I'm done. Sir, I have my backpack. I'm just gonna store it there. Ugh. Meanwhile, okay, so I know that this room used to be a bathroom, but we're gonna make this into the parents' bedroom because at the third floor it's going to be the attic. Okay, everyone just go to bed now. Okay, Mom. Just gonna set up these. And in case that we still have to go to school, I'm just gonna prepare my uniform there. Get my tiger. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my glasses. Get my tiger. Hold on. Get my tiger. Oh wait, I forgot. Perfect. Wait, where are the little ones? Hey Emma, where's Emily? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Well, where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh my gosh. Shh. What's there? Someone's snoring. You gotta go to sleep now. Okay. Oh, what the? Wait, I gotta get the baby. It's upstairs. The crib is upstairs. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Okay, I got the baby. Perfect. No, it's okay, it's okay. I got the baby. Okay, I'm just gonna bring the crib. Didn't you say that you're gonna do that like an hour ago? That's what I thought. Now put the crib. Okay, here. Okay, now I'm just gonna. So, anyways, it's like ugh. Brrr. What the heck was that? What the heck was that? It's so cold. Mom, I'm freezing. Oh my god. What? Oh my. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's so cold. I'm so cold. Oh my god. I'm so cold. Mommy! I'm so cold. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh yeah, it is cold. Oh no. What the heck are we supposed to do? I don't know. We gotta figure out where the heck is the heater. Perfect. I got the heater. I'm gonna put one heater there next to Emma, and another heater here for Emily. And I'm gonna be putting this heater next to baby, and this heater next to us. Camilla? Yeah, mom? Can you like hurry up? It's so cold. This is your heater. Perfect. Okay, let's put it here. Ah, perfect. Paige, here's yours. Okay, mom. Ah, perfect. Ah, feels so good. Okay, now you can go back to sleep with the heaters. Oh, so relaxing. Oh wait, if you feel any more colder, wait. First sleep, I'm gonna give you your sleeping bag. Here. Thank you. Good night, Emma. Good night, Emily. Okay. Ah, feels warm now. Perfect. Paige, go to sleep. Mom, I'm trying to enjoy the soothing because of this freaking theater. Paige, go to bed too. Oh, come on. Go to bed. Good night. Good night. Good night, stupid. Okay, I'm just gonna be. Wait, what's this alert? Alert. Start. Oh my god! It got worse? So that means there's more snow? Okay, it's very cold now, again. I gotta add like 10,000 more heaters. Some backup heaters. Okay, I'm gonna put some on. Okay, I hope you're gonna wake up. Put your iPad there. Yeah, I'm gonna add another one for Paige. Okay, I hope you're gonna wake up. Perfect. Okay, the twins are already still asleep. And give me that heater.
Message ka daw kay Tita Marie.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Okay, perfect. Okay, it has extra diapers in the bottom. Okay, maybe it's time to go to bed. Just gotta charge my phone and don't worry, everything's going to be alright. If you say so, of course. I'll just put my glasses here at the table. Good night. Shh. What? What? Oh my gosh. Wait, is it now morning? It's morning? Anyways. Oh, wow. Oh no, that physics is gonna... Oh my god. No, don't do any... For what? Which one is funny? Which birthday party? Oh, the yummy one? No, it's okay. Oh, no. I gotta change his diaper. Okay, first up, here's your bottle. Okay, I gotta off these heaters now. Or this thing won't off. What the heck? Hey, do you know we have school? Maybe have school? Yeah, but it's going to be really windy and rainy. Okay. Okay, where's my uniform? Oh, dang. Okay, I need... Okay, I'm gonna get this... Page your glasses. Bye, Mom. We're off to school. Alright, bye. Bye-bye. Let's go, Pay. Let's go, Camilla. Okay. Let's go. So, pretend it's already night. Okay, so we just came back from school. Good thing that you both are here. We are going to evacuate. We need to evacuate to the attic? Yeah, there's going to be a tsunami. A what? It's a tsunami. And come on. I got some extra clothes for you. Yes, and I'm just gonna put the bottle here. Okay, everyone, let's go. Wait, what about the... You care? Girl, you two, you carry. Okay, hold on. It's okay, wait. It's okay, guys. Let's go. Jordan, let's go. What are we waiting for? Wait, what about Johnny? What about Johnny? How about Johnny and John? It's okay, they're already upstairs at the attic. I already sent them there. Oh, okay. What about the heaters? It's okay, don't worry about it. Everything is already at the... Oh my gosh, our dogs. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about it. Oh, okay. What about the ducks? Oh no, they're downstairs. Okay, I'll go get them. Okay, you carry them. Paige, carry. Okay. I'm gonna go get the ducks. Okay, oh, I got it. Okay, let's all go to the attic now. Alright. Okay, let's go. Alright. So, you got the ducks? Yes. Alright, let's go. Where's Johnny and Jonathan? Where's Johnny and Johnny and John? Wait, where are they? Hey, hi, baby. What? Why is Johnny and John not here? What do you mean? They're not here, and I swear. What? We. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What's gonna happen to. You guys came out. No. Okay. It's pretty safe. Yeah. The dog's gonna be here for a while. Perfect. Okay. Everyone, you can stay up if you want. What about our stuff? Yeah. It's okay, we'll let it, there's like extra clothes here. Oh, okay, you guys, you can just sleep again. So that's it guys, bye.